guys, I'm doing a review on the Drocon DC-08 drone. It's actually a really good starter drone. It really is. I got this one powered up so you can see all the fancy lights blinking and all that. It's got lights on top too, the W's, and it actually flies really well. What is really cool is no tools are required. You push this down, boom, props off it. Push it down, turn it, props locked on. No tools are required for this drone to take it apart. In 5 minutes you can break this drone down if you want. Pull the camera and the legs off and the props off and put it away. Flight time, 12 minutes of flight time. 3 hours to charge the battery, which is right back here. I'm going to shut her down here while I pull the battery. Right here, this is the battery. It's proprietary to the drone. It only works for this drone. The issue is Drocon. I have been in contact with them. We cannot get batteries from them right for now. But with extensive searching, we have discovered you can get them at eBay and Amazon. They range anywhere from $30 to $65 a piece. So this drone here, would I recommend it? Yes. I would give it a 4 out of 5 stars. The other issue is that there is some bugs in it, but you got to bear in mind this is a beginner drone. I think it will be a good drone. You really got to get into your flying on this drone to get the quality of the video to come out right. You can't be jerky, you got to be smooth. These are brushed motors, so that doesn't help the flight time. But other than that, it's been a great drone. I got 2 flights in it. I really don't feel I need to fly it anymore. I've done all I can do with it. I got 2 flights. I got a video in here that I'm going to be including in this review of it flying around my yard, because unfortunately I had to find a sheltered area because we're dealing with a lot of wind right now. So, and that was the other issue, because this is not stabilized. Your footage will be just like so with the camera. So other than that, it's been a good drone. I got 2 flights in it. It's an easy flying drone. To set it up, you turn the drone on, turn the radio on. You got your Wi-Fi turned on your phone or whatever you're going to use, because then the phone will detect the drone and use that signal for the camera. Then you push both sticks down and to the right to calibrate the GPS. You'll hear an audible beep. Once you hear the beep, then you bring the sticks back to the neutral position. Then you push it to the left and you'll hear a beep. At that point, you have to calibrate the drone every flight. What I did is I grabbed the drone like this, and you do a 360 spin one way until you hear a beep. Then when it beeps, you put the camera facing down like this, and you do a 360 spin again. It'll beep. Once it beeps, the compass has been calibrated. Then at that point, you take both sticks to unlock the drone and push them to the center, inboard center, both sticks at the same time. It will unlock the drone, the motors will start to run. You can go ahead and lift off. I used the sticks. Unfortunately, the app, I could not get the auto takeoff to work on this thing for some reason. But I used the sticks and I was able to fly it around. I used the left stick, give it full throttle, and just lifted it up. When I got it to where I wanted it, I backed off stick and it held there. So the GPS is working. So that being said, guys, Drocon.co is where you get these from. They're $199. I've seen them on eBay for $169, I think it is, and Amazon for the same. So you can get these elsewhere. This one here was sent to me for a review, and I personally What I think it's a pretty good drone. It's a good starter drone. It just got a few little things that I personally I'm not happy with. I'm going to be blunt with my reviews on these drones. It's a starter drone. Like I say, 4 out of 5 stars. So definitely go to Drocon.co and check out their drone lines. They have other drones besides this one, and hopefully in the future they'll send me other drones to do reviews on. I will enclose the in-camera footage of this drone. Unfortunately, at the time of this review, I wanted to get it done. I wasn't able to get back out and get the actual flight because we're dealing with really bad winds here where I'm from. So, that being said, check out Drocon.com, and always thank you for watching and keep flying. Bye bye.